Well, finally, hey, all fitted. Got the fridge or the freezer this side. It's all boxed in. Got a drawer system inside here, all done. Opens up. We've got cutlery drawers or whatever you want to use it for. And divider in here if you want to divide. Put the divider in. Tie down points on the top.
How many is there? 4 of them?
4 of them, yeah. Battery box. So yeah, all done by DRIFTA. Which is, I'm over the moon, stoked with it. It's been a long time, big long wait for us to get the fridges fitted. From one of the videos you'll see earlier, the unboxing of the fridges. But we've got 2 drawers, pretty deep 2 drawers. Another drawer. And a cupboard. It's got the air pockets for the fridge and the freezer. So you've got 95 litre ENGEL that side. 95 litre ENGEL this fridge. So freezer the other side, fridge this side, both ENGELs. It's inside. All set out. The DRIFTA's also put in a table for us, so we can pull the table out. Work on it there while getting the stuff out of the fridge, or can be, I won't do it, but yeah, can be put out. It's put up as a standalone table. But yeah, like I said, been waiting ages for it. So yeah, it's all good. As you all would have seen from the last video, there the fridge is all set in, nicely done. Happy with the way it finished off. So if you want anything done from DRIFTA, I would recommend them highly. Great work, thanks to the people at DRIFTA. Great work.